Hi, I'm Chris, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice. In this video, we're going to explore the new and improved integration interface of Lightspeed Voice. Once you log into your Lightspeed Voice portal, users with the proper permissions can navigate to management, lead settings, and integrations to see the new layout. This interface is designed to make it easier for users to find and access integrations they need. You may notice that all connections are now displayed separately as connected and available. Additionally, there's a new option to filter by Only My Integrations, which will display only those currently assigned to you. You'll also find quick access to downloading Orbit in the upper right corner, either for Windows or Mac. One of the most significant changes is a grouping of different instances of the same integration. This makes it easier to offer different abilities to different users. To demonstrate the new look and features, let's set up an integration now. To start, click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. You'll need to enter a name, which can be descriptive and related to what this integration will be used for. After that, click on Save and Continue, and you'll be directed to the new setup page. The integration management page has been updated with a sleek and convenient layout. As always, you can enable or disable this integration for all users. Also, you can now copy the URL used for the call pop from the bottom of the same box. And now, assigning users to have access to a new integration is quick and easy. You can do this by toggling the Assign button next to the user's name. You'll immediately know everything is connected correctly when you get the green integrated check. Next to that, you can choose which type of Orbit call pops you'd like individual users to receive, and they can also manage their preferences for themselves. If you need to make bulk changes, use the checkboxes to select multiple users, and from the drop-down menu, you'll be able to assign, unassign, or revoke access. With my integration enabled and call pops for inbound calls selected, you can see that when I answer an incoming call, I get an automatic pop-up taking me directly to that caller's information. If you're working with an integration that involves triggers, you'll find the toggles for enabling or disabling specific triggers below the user's window. Although the options can vary depending on the integration, you'll find that triggers offer useful information sharing abilities. They can automatically import text, emails, call data, and links to call recordings from Lightspeed Voice into your AMS or CRM. This is Lightspeed Voice's renewed integrations portal. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.